Bag. 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 Very good, Riyasri. Next, Nimalan.
ரீட் பண்ணு கண்ணா, அதை ரீட் பண்ணு.
Nimalan. Bat. Very good. Bat. Bat. Very good. Sarah.
தேங்க்யூ. தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
Welcome. Sarah.
Bed.
Very good. Bed. Bed.
Good
Very
morning,
good.
ma'am.
Good morning, Mas Vinija. Next, Tilakar. Tilakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read this word.
Yes. Boss.
Yes.
Boss.
Box. Very good. Thank you, Ma. Tilakar. Next is Kevin. Kevin.
Pa. இந்த பக்கம் பா. பா.
சொல்லு.
நீ அந்த பாவ.
B. O.
இந்த பாய.
Yes.
Ba.
Boy. Very good. B. O. E. Boy. Srinija.
Ma'am.
Srinija.
You.
B. U. B. A. G.
B. A. G.
What is this?
Le.
Bug.
Bug.
Very good. Bug. Bug. Okay. Next. Riyasri. Riyasri.
Bun.
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 Bun. Very good. Adya. Adya.
School bus. School bus.
No, no. Read it with phonics. B. U.S. What is U.S.?
Yes.
Bus.
Bus.
Bus. Very good. Bus. Bus. Very good. Nimalan. Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Cap. Cap. Very good. Madhuvanti.
Car.
Car. Car. Car. Very good. Adarsh. Adarsh.
Phonics.
Ka.
அதெல்லாம் சொல்ல
Ka.
இது நெக்ஸ்ட் AT என்னதுமா?
Ka at.
Ka
at.
என்னதுமா இது?
Ka at என்னது Adarsh? Ka at.
சரி இந்த பிக்சர் பாருங்க என்னது?
Cat. Ka at cat. Very good, Madharsh. Next, Tilakar. 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 Good morning, Nakshatra. Ka a ba. What is it? Cub. Very good. Cub. Sarah. Huh? Don't look at the picture. Blend it.
Yes, ma'am. She's easily identifying by using
Next I'll show you the words. Then what will you do at that time? Ka. UP is up. Ka up.
blend
Ka up. Cup. Ka up. Cup. Okay. Next, Kevin. Kevin. Dog. 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 Very good. Srinija.
No, ma'am.
Srinija. An, what is An? For an?
Fan.
Very good. For an fan. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
And then Nakshatra.
Blend பண்ணு படி.
Yes.
F. What is the phonic sound of F, ma?
F is
F. Okay. F. OX.
O is ox.
Very good. For ox.
Blend பண்ணு.
For ox.
For ox. சரி
Ox.
சொல்லு.
Ox.
For first இருக்குல
ox.
அது.
Fan. Ox.
Fox. Fox illa. Fox. Okay. Fox. Okay. Next is Pravina. 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 Very good. Her at hat. Very good. Pranavi. Come on. Very good. Her hen. Super ma Pranavi. Good. Ilango.
Herd.
Correct only. Her at.
Head. U. T.
Mm.
House.
You said first correctly only, no? Her at.
Hut. Hut.
Hut. Her at. UT is at. Her
Hi,
at.
ma'am.
Hut. Yeah, good morning, my Ilango. Okay,
What,
next is.
ma'am? You can.
You can't see me, yeah. Okay, later you can see me after my presentation, okay? Nitish.
J. I. M. Cherry.
Jai chucho. What is that? Jam is? What is am? Jam. Very good. Adya.
मुझे बताओ मैम
क्या?
बताओ मैम क्या है जी
ET. What is ET? ET क्या बताओ? ET.
Nothing.
ET.
बताओ.
Where is Adya's mom? Where is your mom, Adya? Mama कहाँ है? Only you listen to your mama, I know. Where were you, Adya's mom? Ask her to read this word.
Adya, what is this? ET?
मेरे को नहीं पता.
Check.
Four times
Blend it. Okay, next. Okay, this you don't know. Okay, this one.
One minute.
Acho.
AM क्या होता है?
I don't like it.
This one you like it?
What?
ET क्या होता है?
Not.
ET?
Friends बता दो.
Oh, you have nowadays become too rude nowadays, and you have become very naughty also, huh? Okay, this one will you say?
IT?
IT.
It. IT?
Why? And they were four times, Adya.
1 minute, Adya. IT, it.
Why gives four times?
Okay, very good. IT, it.
Why they were four times, Adya, for me?
You want cake?
Huh?
Okay, then tell this. IT,
What?
IT, it. KIT?
Oh no.
It.
Bata.
It. Then I'll give star only for your mama, not for Adya. I'll
What
give
star?
star for Adya's mom.
ना you want star ना चल दो. KIT, kit.
Hmm.
बोलो KIT. अच्छा मेरे पीछे बोलो. KIT, kit. KIT. बोलो.
Okay, fine. Nimalan, find this word, ma.
read பண்ணு.
Kit. Very good, ma. Nimalan. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Yes, Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Unmute yourself, Madhuvanti. What is OG?
Sorry, yes, madam. Sorry.
OG.
Og. Og.
Og.
Og.
Og.
Og. What is og? Log.
Log.
Okay, log. Next one, Riyasri.
PST.
Very good, Kevin. Riyasri.
Mat.
Mat. Very good, Kevin. I saw you were answering. Good boy. Okay, next is Adarsh. Adarsh. What is AN?
ஏன் என்ன சொல்லு ஏன்
AN?
ம்
AN is an. Ma an.
இங்க பாருமா
Ma an.
சொல்லுமா மேன் சொல்லு ஆன் மேன் சொல்லு பட்டோ சொல்லு
Man.
மேன்
Man. Okay, fine. Next is Tilakar. Tilakar. At. At.
நெக்ஸ்ட் சொல்
Net. Very good. At net. Well done. Okay, thank you. Okay. Next is Kevin. Kevin.
This is a pan.
Pan. Very good. Pan. Pan. Well done. Next is Sarah.
Blend.
Sarah.
Pen.
Blend and say.
Pen.
Pen. Pen. Pen. You are going to get worksheet now. At that time, I'll see how you are reading it. Wait.
Yes, ma'am. She's saying
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Okay, next Srinija.
Yes, ma'am.
Srinija. What is this?
P-I-G.
P-I-G.
G. Pig.
Very good. Pig. Nakshatra.
Ma'am, they are seeing the pictures and telling, ma'am, you take out.
Yeah, this is just for reference. Then they will get the words alone. They have to know the picture also and they have to refer it to it. That's what I've given with picture. Next round they'll be having without the picture only. Don't worry. Nakshatra.
Ma'am.
படிங்க அது.
Pa. Iron. Iron. Pa in.
blend பண்ணா
Very good. Pa in pin. Pa in pin. Okay. Good. Next Ilango. Ilango.
Pan.
Pana.
Pan.
OT. What is OT?
OT.
Ought. 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 Per ought. What is per ought?
Pot.
Very good. Per ought pot. Nitish. Nitish.
H-U-N. Sun.
Very good. Sun. Sun. Riyasri.
Laptop.
Very good. Tap. Tap. Good. Pranavi. TAT. TAT கொடுத்திருக்காங்க.
TUB tub.
TUB tub. Very good. Pravina. V and van. Very good. V and van. Very good. Next, Nimalan. Very good. Zip. Zip. Well done, children. Thank you so much, children. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes.
Ma'am, can you
Srinija.
send this PPT?
Yeah, I'll make it as a PDF and I'll send it to you. Convert it and I'll send you. You stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Srinija.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Stand up. Join with me. Consonant.
Loud. You
Draw with me.
loudly.
Draw with me. From my
You are the wings.
Within my life. I stand at you. My potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Should I play with all my mind? I feel my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, very good morning. Why Nimalan is dancing today? I don't know what happened to him. Good morning. Yes, Matilakar. Yes, Tilakar. Tell me. What is it, Ma? Who's that? Huh?
Sister.
Your sister you are bringing for online class, huh? Okay, fine. All of you now stand up. Stand up, all of you. Stand up. First, we are going to do the actions, okay? Running. Do the action. Running. Running, how will you do? Running. Fast. Fast running. What, Sarah? Only your hand is running, not your legs, huh? Running. Fast running. Now slowly. Run slowly. Slow. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slowly have to run. Very good. Next is crawling. How will you crawl on the ground? How the babies will crawl on the ground? How the reptiles will crawl on the ground? Crawling. Very good, Srinija. Good, Delango. Crawling. Yes, very good, Nimalan. Madhuvanti. Crawling. Okay. Next is flying. Flying, fly, fly, fly. Fly, flying, flying. Okay, next is swimming. Swimming, how will you swim in water? Swimming, Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Swimming. Yes, swimming. Okay. Next is reading. Reading, how will you read? Reading. Reading. Without a book, Srinija is reading. Kevin is also reading without books. Like this only you will read, no book in your hand, but you're reading, all of you. Cheating, Vanilla Mama. Okay, reading. Ilango, very seriously reading. Very good. And next is crying. Crying, crying. Will you cry? Tara, very cute, you're crying, I don't think so, you're crying. Crying means you're doing like this and you're laughing. Is this crying? How will you cry? Madhuvanti, really crying, Adarsh, this one all you will do, Adarsh. When I ask you any questions, you will not answer, Okay, next is laughing. Laughing loudly. I can't hear anyone laughing. Why is that? Yes, I want to hear everyone laughing loudly. Louder. Louder. Louder, 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 louder. Yeah, very good. Very good, children. Now come on, go drink one glass of water and come back. Go drink water and come back for attendance. Come on, quick, quick, quick. Adya.
It was closer. Here I am.
Adya. Here I am. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray.
बोलो हिप हिप हुर्रे.
Oh, don't like hip hip hooray va. Okay. Next is Ilango. Ilango.
Close.
मैम சொல்கிறேன்.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good, Ilango. Kevin. Kevin.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good, Kevin. Nakshatra.
Hip hip hooray.
Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish.
நிதிஷ் சொல்லுங்க.
Nitish.
என்ன மேம்?
Say here I am. Hip hip hooray.
I am hip hip hooray.
Very good, Nimalan. Very good. Yeah, Riyasri. Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Pranavi. Pranavi. Very good. Pravina. Pravina.
Here I am hip hip hooray.
Very good. Shravanya. Srinija.
Yes ma'am. No.
Ah,
Here I am hip hip hooray.
very good. Tilakar.
Vella ma'am. Here I am hip hip hooray.
Very good, Tilakar. Adarsh.
Hip hip hooray.
Very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, next is our rhymes time. Okay, who is going to sing peace and rhyme? It's so hot. Who's going to sing It's so hot? Yes, let me choose. Okay, Srinija, come on, sing It's so hot.
It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, sing lemonade. In the sun we play.
Very good, Srinija. Next is Ilango. Ilango.
So hot, so hot, so hot.
Yeah, I can hear. It's so hot today.
It's so hot today. So hot.
Look at the action.
Put on the fan, drink lemonade. In the sun we play.
Very good. Next is Sarah. Sarah.
It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, we play.
Very good. Very good. Next is Riyasri. Riyasri.
It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. It's so hot, it's so hot.
Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. Riyasri.
The fan. It's traveling.
In the sun we play. In the sun we play. Very good. Kevin, can you sing the rhyme, Kevin?
It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today.
Switch on the fan. I myself will forget the rhyme. Switch on the fan.
It's so hot today. Hot today. Milk.
உனக்கு என்னெல்லாம் பிடிச்சிருக்கோ அது எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஓகே ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் இன் த ரைம் அதை மட்டும் தான் சொல்லணும். Okay, switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play. Okay, next time when I ask you, you should not say milk, juice, alla solla kudadu. Okay, next who's going to sing? Thank you, Kevin. Next, Nimalan. Nimalan. Yes, can you please rewind? Can you please rewind and sing back?
You don't know the right.
Don't know, Nimalan, you know, I know that. Come on, ma, sing, ma. In the sun we play. That's all. Why are you saying he doesn't know? Very bad, mommy. Okay, next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra. It's so hot. Come on, ma, Nakshatra.
ஏய் இப்பதான் பாடுனேன் சொல்லு.
It's so hot. Sir, ma'am kuda paadunga. Come on, sing along with ma'am. It's
Ma'am,
so
அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும்.
hot. Come on, sing.
It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today.
Switch on the fan.
It's on the fan, it's the Monday play.
In the sun.
In the sun we play. Avladhan. Okay, very good. Tilakar knows this rhyme?
No, ma'am.
Don't know, va? Okay. Madhuvanti.
Yes,
Madhuvanti.
Hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play.
Very good. Well done, Madhuvanti. Okay, today we are going to learn another new rhyme. That is the rainbow rhyme. Okay. So you know how many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? Yes? You all will ask rainbow stars, rainbow stars. How many colors are there in a rainbow?
And
How many colors are there? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the rainbow rhyme. All of you take your rhymes book, page number 18. Take your rhymes book, page number is 18. And ma'am is going to tell you the colors one by one. You are going to circle the spellings. Okay. Page number 18, rhymes book. Sarah's mom, you can randomly write 7 colors in a slate or notebook and give it to her. Let her identify and circle the colors, okay?
Okay, thank you.
notebookல பண்ண போறேன்.
7 colors.
Slate.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, the first color is violet. Violet. Drive big van round the village. Violet. Circle the color violet. 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 Finish. Next is indigo. 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 Finish. Next is blue. 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 sentence by sentence, if you check, you will get that colors, children. Blue. And next is green. Green. Sarah's mom in a rainbow, always violet color comes down. Top only you will get red, okay?
Ma'am, I wrote it randomly, ma'am.
Oh, randomly I've written. Okay, fine. She should not get that. She should not record it. Why? Because while doing that activity also, she will remember that violet will come on top and red at the bottom. That's what
Okay.
I told you.
Oh, done.
Yes, green. 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 Next is yellow. 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 And next is orange. 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 Ilango, are you circling, Ilango? ORANGE. Orange. You don't have your rhymes book, Ilango? And the last color is red. 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 Red.
And what activity?
RED. Red. Yeah, I told them to take the rhymes book and circle the colors.
Okay. Which page number, ma'am?
18.
Okay.
First, violet. V for violet. I for indigo. B for blue. G for green. Y for yellow. O for orange and R for red. So we have 7 colors and it is called as with GR. Okay, with GR. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. So there are 7 colors in a rainbow. So now let's move on to the rhyme. Oh, look, there is a rainbow. It's so violet. Wait, there is indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next. Then there is orange too. Finally, there is red and the rainbow spread. Okay, one more time. Oh, look, there is a rainbow. It's so violet, the first color. Wait, there is indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next. Then there is orange too. Finally, there is red and the rainbow spread. Okay, so we have covered all the 7 colors in this rhyme. Okay, next we'll move on to our concept recap. Children, what are the seasons we learned so far? Anyone? என்ன seasons இதுவரையிலும் படிச்சிருக்கோம்? What seasons we learned? Yes?
Summer.
Summer and then another season?
Summer.
Next season? 2 seasons we learned.
No, ma'am.
2 seasons we learned. What is that?
No.
Summer and winter. Very good, Ilango. Summer and winter. Okay. Summer. 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 Okay. Summer is a very hot or cold season. Summer is a hot season or cold season? Hot. Very good. Summer is a very hot season. Hot na enadhu, you cannot go out. Yes, you will sweat a lot. It will be very hot. Okay, that is summer season. It will be like this. Okay. And next, what you should do during summer? When you go out, you should wear sunglasses, wear a cap. Ice cream is not necessary that compulsorily you should not eat ice cream. Okay, you would like to eat ice cream during summer, okay? But when you go out, you have to wear a cap. And then you have to wear a sunglass. And what type of dresses you should wear during summer? Woolen clothes or cotton clothes? What clothes you should wear? Wool, woolen or cotton? Cotton clothes. Very good. Cotton clothes only you should wear. And then what you should drink a lot? You should drink lots and lots of water. You have to drink more water. Okay. And then children used to like to go to beach to play in water. And some children used to go for swimming classes also. Okay, some used to go for swimming classes also. Next, what are the fruits that are available in summer? Watermelon, mango, and tender coconut. Tender coconut. Okay. Yeah, very good. Good children. Next is winter. What season is this? Winter. You can see what type of dresses the children are wearing. What they are wearing? Can you tell me what type of dresses they are wearing? Huh? Very good. Nakshatra, good. Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes are nothing but the clothes made out of wool. That is sweater, scarf, woolen cap, gloves and all. Socks, woolen socks. These are all the woolen clothes. Okay, so that it will keep you warm. ரொம்ப கோல்டா இருக்காது. It will be very warm if you wear that type of clothes. During winter season, what you can see? What you can see? Huh? Santa Claus. What is here in the screen? Santa Claus is here in the screen. Huh? Snow. You can see snow in winter. Okay. Yeah, Santa also you can see. And then what type of clothes you used to wear? You will wear woolen clothes. Yeah, woolen clothes to keep yourselves warm. And what type of food you should eat? How you should eat your food? Very cold or hot? Hot food only you should have. Okay, then only you will not catch cold very easily, children. Okay, you should not take water from fridge and drink it. Okay, you'll get fever and cold. So that only during winter season, it is already a cool season, right? So you should prefer to eat only hot food items. சூடான பொருள் தான் சாப்பிடணும். Okay, in winter season. And today we are going to see another season, that is monsoon season or rainy season. Monsoon season na ennadu ma'am appdi neenga kekkalaam. That is nothing but rainy season. மழை பெய்யும் இல்லையா? Yes, recently we had lot of rain. That is rainy season. Okay, you get more rain during that season. Daily it will be raining. That is rainy season or monsoon season. So what you will use during rainy season? If it is raining, what you will take with you? என்ன எடுத்துட்டு போவீங்க உங்க கூட rainy seasonல? Raincoat. Very good. Then if you don't have raincoat, what will you take? Umbrella. Very good. While going out also, your daddy, he will wear the raincoat and go, or else when your mama is going outside, she'll be taking umbrella and going out during rainy season. So these are the things you use in rainy season. Raincoat, umbrella, gumboots, all these things you will use in rainy season. So we have learnt 3 seasons. First is the summer season, second is the winter season, and the third one is the rainy season. Okay? Yes, ma? Yes, Tilakar? Okay. Next we'll move. Yes, ma? Why did you call me? Yes, why did you call me, Tilakar? Okay, no problem. Come on, all of you now take your worksheet. Worksheet number is 115 PH. 115 PH. Like yesterday, we are going to write the name of these pictures on top, and then we are going to find out the middle sound. The middle sound will always be a vowel only, children. You all know what is vowel. Yes, 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U. So always the middle sound will be a vowel. So that only we call the 3-letter words as CVC words. Okay, only the vowel connects 2 letters. So it can make a word. So the middle sound will be a vowel. Now start writing.
Ma'am,
Start
can you
writing
share?
today's. Yeah, I'm
Can you?
sharing. I'm
Thank
sharing
you.
only. Start writing the date today. Yes, Srinija, I think you will not have that worksheet. Srinija, you can write in your English notebook. I'll show you the pictures. Write in your English notebook and circle the middle sound like yesterday. Actually, those sheet has been misplaced, Srinija's mom. We already had some problem, right? We didn't get that phonic sheet. All those has been mixed, I think, here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you ask her to write in English notebook. Anyway, they are going to write in worksheet only. You can write in English notebook. Write today's date and write. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. I need to write like a P dash N.
No. Write the ask her to write the full word. PIN pin.
Okay.
Finish writing today's date, children.
7 dash 7
115 PH.
dash 1.
Okay, ma'am.
P yeah.
Yes.
PIN pin. Next
Pardesi,
is
Pardesi, ukar Pardesi.
dog. D. Tilaka's mom, can you please mute yourself? DOG. Dog. Next is pen. 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 Next is tap. T-A-P. Tap. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Pig. P-E-G. Pig. Sun. Sun. Log. L-O-G. Log. Next is box. B-O-X. Take an X-ray. Next is cup. P. Cup. 6. E.
What is the middle sound in P?
6.
Write down that in the blind. நல்ல பிளைண்ட்க்கு மேலேயே எழுதணும். இங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி இங்க முடிச்சிடணும்.
Children, you should always remember the middle sound will be a vowel. Okay. So if you have doubts also, check whether you can see any vowel there and find out whether it is the correct sound for the word. Okay.
Ma'am, can you down the screen once, ma'am?
This one.
Okay.
Very good, Nimalan. Finished writing?
Thank you, ma'am.
Why thank you? We didn't finish worksheet. We just have written the names.
He wants to play, man. Always playing.
Play always. You keep playing, okay? Those are finished. What we are going to do is we are going to find the middle sound. Yesterday itself I taught you how to find first one, last one, the middle one. Middle one na nadula irukka sound. So what is the middle sound for pin? What is the middle sound for pin? Come on, tell me what is the middle sound for pin, children. Help ma'am, come on. I. What is the sound of I? I only. What is the sound of I? E. Very good. So the middle sound is E. Next, dog. Dog, dog. What is the middle sound? Come on, who is going to do this? Dog. Dog, dog. What is the middle sound? Dog, dog.
Woman.
Oh, very good. Again, Nimalan itself is answering. Others, take the initiative to answer, children. Next is pen. Pen.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Pen. Pen. The 1 minute I'll circle it and then scroll. E. Okay.
Middle.
And next is tap. 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 What is the middle sound for tap?
Hey, tap.
Tap. Tap. Tap. Middle one. ஐயா tap ஐ எங்க இருக்கு? Where is I? A. Very good, Riyasti. Tap. Tap. Next is bed. 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 What is the middle sound? Very good, Nimalan. E. Bed. 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 Next is fan. 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 What is the middle sound, Sarah?
What is the middle sound in fan?
What is the middle sound? Fan. A. Okay. Next is pig. Egg. Pig. Egg. Pig. What is the middle sound? I, O, or F? I. Very good. I. Egg. Pig. Next is sun. 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 Very good. You. Very good, Nitish. Next one. Log. 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 Oh, very good. Yes, next one. Box. Box. Middle sound. Oh, very good. Ilango, next one. Cup. Cup. Very good, ma. Ilango, next one. Cup. Cup.
கப்ல எதுப்பா மிடில்?
Cup.
You, ma'am.
You. Very good, Ilango. Okay, next one is six. Six. What is the middle sound? What is the middle sound here? I. Very good, Tilakar. I. Good. Well done. Yes, very good, children. Everyone finished? Shall I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep. Srinija finished writing, ma?
Yes, ma'am. She finished, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, next is the talk time session. Who is ready? First, Riya Sri. Yes, Riya Sri. Come on, Riya Sri.
We are a talk about the air pollution. It cause very problems. Start the breath. So that unknown it is one side. Pretty cardi headache. And SID. We got coffee. Air pollution is one animals and plants. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Well done. Air pollution is not healthy for plants and animals, even for human also. Okay. Very good, Riyasri. Riyasri's mom, I want you to take a snap along with that chart and send it in group so that I'll use it in another occasion. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Next, whose talk time is next?
Ma'am, Nimilan, ma'am.
Nimalan. Nimalan. Yes, after Nimalan, is there anyone ready? Nakshatra? No, okay.
Ready, ma'am.
Ready, yeah? Nakshatra is ready today?
Ready.
Okay, fine. After Nimalan, you can speak, okay? Yes, come on, Nimalan. Go back, Nimalan. Stand there. Now start. Yeah, correct only Nimalan's mom. He can start.
Start.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vidya Gopal. Mixture of soil contains gas in the air. Environmental issues. Chemical uses. Waste and pollution. Constant practice and abuse are another cause. Dangerous for animals and plants. Root cause of many diseases, heart disease, lung cancer, respiratory disease, asthma. Ozone layer is affected due to global warming. We can avoid air pollution by following. Riding bicycle, car walking instead of driving. But environment also taking public transport because foreign safety instead of car. Even our solar vehicle solar generator.
ஆமா சொல்லு.
Sleep over working paper. Say no to plastic bag. Sleep and best way to avoid air pollution. Thank you.
Wow, I want all of you to give a big round of applause for Nimalan. Yes, Nimalan, what you spoke, you know the meaning of what you have spoke now? என்ன பேசுனீங்க புரிஞ்சுதா உங்களுக்கு? Yes, Nim. புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay, very nice. Regarding respiratory diseases and all you have spoken, but that is too big one for your size. Okay, so thank you so much, Nimalan's mom. You have spoken a lot. Very good, and I really
Thank you,
appreciate you, Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Have to grow
Thank
more
you,
trees, and air pollution is the root cause. What is the root cause? You know the meaning of root cause, Anala? Is the root cause for
root cause
other
என்ன கண்ணு
diseases?
அம்மா சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன்ல சொல்லு.
Root cause na என்னது?
ரூட் காஸ்னா என்னது? ரூட் காஸ்னா என்ன அம்மா சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். சொல்லுமா. சரி ஓசோன் லேயர் என்னன்னு சொல்லு. ஓசோன் லேயர் என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
What? Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Next is Nakshatra. I want you to
Thank
take
you,
a
ma'am.
snap along with that stickers and all and send it in group, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next, Nakshatra. Nakshatra is in the name of Pradeep N.
Yeah, jolly.
Hello, friends. In this Nakshatra, I am going to speak about land pollution. Land pollution is anything
That
that damages
What? Asking your daddy to repeat naughty girl. உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சதை சொல்லுங்க, no problem. Come on. என்ன ஞாபகம் இருக்கோ அது சொன்னா போதும். Come on.
all contaminates
ம்.
நீ சொல்லுமா உனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது. Land pollution affects
land pollution affects human beings, plants, or animals.
ம்.
Plastic waste, deforestation,
இங்க பா சொல்லு. Are some of
are some of
சொல்லுமா.
land pollution.
ம்.
Avoiding plastic bags
Will reduce
will reduce land pollution.
and more
Plant more trees.
to
Save nature. Thank you.
Wow, what a pronunciation. Very nice pronunciation, Nakshatra. Nakshatra's dad, you have taught her very well. Good pronunciation. Super. All of you clap hands for Nakshatra. Very clearly spoken. Very good. Next to Nimalan's level, you have spoken. Very nice, Nakshatra, and thanks to Nakshatra's parents. Okay. So thank you so much, children. Those who have performed today's talk time. Very nice, very good. And for Monday's talk time also, I want you to do the same. Who is going to prepare on Monday? Monday's talk time is Sarah, I think. Sarah, no. Pranavi and Pravina. Pranavi, Pravina, are you there? Pranavi and Pravina, prepare for your talk time. Yeah, Monday is your talk time. Prepare for your talk time. Okay? Fine. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you on Monday. Have a happy weekend. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, children. Yes, bye, everyone.